Unlocking the quantum mystery. The surprising secrets behind everyday tech. Let's take a stroll into the fascinating world of the hidden side of technology, where things get a bit quantum, not as complex as it sounds, promise. Imagine your gadgets as superheroes with secret powers. Deep down, below the surface, there's a tiny dance party happening in the tiniest corners of your tech. It's not just any dance. It's like particles having a super cool quantum party, doing moves that even smart people find a bit puzzling. Now, here's the curious part: quantum computers. They don't just speed things up. They're like magical portals to another dimension. It's like having locals, quantum bits, and tourists, regular bits, and they party in a way that might make your head spin, being in many places at once. Here's the real mind bender. Your regular data, those ones and zeros, transforms into a quantum ballet of maybes and probablys. Your tech is practically talking in a secret quantum language, where info can be both here and there, existing and not existing, all at once. Confusing? Yeah, it's a bit like that. In this dance of tiny particles, your gadgets are more than just tools. They're like conductors leading a symphony of quantum surprises. So, the next time you're texting your friend or dealing with tech issues, think about the secret quantum dance happening behind the scenes. Embrace the mystery, because in the quantum world, the only sure thing is that things are never just simple. It's a bit like magic.